Owl Services offers solutions for on-site fueling and on-site charging for fleets of all kinds and all sizes.
Owl Services works with a variety of different fleet sizes, ranging from public fleets to private fleets. Could be people who are operating a service fleet of white pickup trucks, or could be all the way up to Class 8 18-wheelers, working with trucking companies. So we work with just about everybody in between. If they have on-site fueling operations or on-site charging operations, we're happy to service either of those. Owl Services is a very large provider in the space of working with our fleet customers, and we've helped some find great success in implementing new technology, whether that be a fuel management system or a new different type of fuel like CNG or EV charging. It doesn't matter to us what style of fuel is being used by the customer. We're there to help them solve for fueling challenges on a daily basis.